Hey Marklin fans, I thought I would do a short video about the Marklin & Sggrss Sggrss container cars. This first one is an AAE car that came with 3 birch tank containers, and I've added an AWM jumbocontainers.com container to this. And I want you to know something about this car. This has got a brake wheel on one half of the car, but not the other half. And then the next car is also an AAE car that came with originally 2 Sggrss containers, but I've added a Roco Sggrss container to this side. And I want you to notice that in this case, the brake wheel is on the other half of the car, which is interesting. And to show you how I have added a Roco car to this, what I've done is I've added some posts with some styrene round rod that I've used some silicone glue to glue into the car. The Roco cars have round openings at the end, and then I just trimmed them short, and they fit snugly but perfectly into the holes in the Marklin cars. So I do that both on these cars and other Marklin container cars. The next one is Railion double container car, and what's interesting about this is there's no brake wheel. There's painting of what looks like brake levers on the side. And this one came originally with a K-line container and an evergreen container. But what I've done here is I've mounted a Walthers K-line container to this car. And so you should note, any of the newer Walthers 40-foot container cars fit perfectly on the Marklin cars. You just have to press them into place, and they'll stay there. The little feet work just fine. This is a 2-ax car. Again, no brake wheels on this one. It came with 2 ONE containers, but in this case I put on a Walthers 40-foot refrigerator container. And the next one is from Rail Release, a Dutch company, and notice that this has a brake wheel there and also a brake wheel on the other side. And this is actually the original containers that came for this car, a Saf Marine and a Sggrss. And the last one I'm going to show you today is a Wascosa car, and in this case there's a brake wheel on one half of the car, but not the other half. And this came with 3 tank containers, and I've added a 4th one, again an AWM container that I've added posts to, and fits the car perfectly. So there you go.